So in this video, we're going to be giving you a tour of the application panels. So when you log into your BetterSiteHost dashboard, you can go to the Applications tab and see all of your active applications and websites. Go ahead and click on a website to enter its application-specific dashboard. Now in this dashboard, you get information about your server, the domain, the account that you currently have enabled. Is it enabled for SFTP? You can actually disable it directly from here. You can quickly add databases for this application, as well as manage the domain names. Now, the first option in the applications dashboard is the staging area. We'll probably have a dedicated video for this in the future, but for right now, this is essentially a way of you creating a staging area for a production website where you can modify and make changes hosted on a subdomain. And when you are happy with those changes can then be synced to production. After that is the file manager. And this allows you to browse all of the files for this particular application. You can upload files, you can delete files, you can edit files, you can compress files, so on and so forth, right? So it's a really great, little file browser. So you can browse through all the files on your application. And next up is fail to ban. Now, this is a really cool security process that runs on your server. It analyzes the logs of your application, and based on patterns that it's seen, it actually will automatically create some firewall and security rules to block specific connections and requests. Next up is an AI bot blocker. And this allows us, if you enable this in an AI world, whether or not you want AI particular services to traverse your website or not, this shows you all of the various services that it is going to block. Next, in the PHP settings, we have the ability to swap the PHP version, change your time zone, and a lot of other PHP settings, such as max file upload size, memory limits, disabled functions that are potentially security risks, so on and so forth. Now, if your application requires supervisor, you will know it. Essentially, this is a way for you to configure long-running processes for your application. And if they ever stop, the supervisor will ensure that they are automatically restarted. Inside logs, this allows us to access our application-specific log files. Again, these are just logs for our application. You can go ahead and look at all of the contents, get the last number of lines. It's a really nice interface that even lets you, filter and highlight particular words. So it's easy to kind of scan and look for things that you might be interested in. Next in security is something brand new as of this recording, and it is the 8G firewall. This is a standard firewall that is an application level firewall that can help you stop SQL injections, cross-site scripting, and a lot of other very malicious threats before it ever reaches your application. Next, in the settings, this is if you ever wanted to change your web root. So if you set that up at the beginning, maybe you did it wrong, this is where you can set that. If you have any permission issues, if you're having some weird behavior with file permissions on your application, go ahead and try this fix permissions, and it'll go ahead and evaluate all the permissions of files in your app and fix them. If you want to set up basic HTTP authentication, you can do so here. And obviously, if you want to delete your application, you can do that here as well. And last but not least is the log monitoring suite. What the log monitoring suite does, it actually analyzes your application access logs, and based on the data that it finds, is building up actual reports for you about who's visiting your website, what actual web pages are being discovered, right? This isn't an actual analytics that's, running on your website. It's just analyzing your server and application data to give you some really amazing reports. So I hope you're enjoying BetterSiteHost. Now go forth and make your websites great.